this session. So problem 3. Sabi niya dito, what weight W is necessary to start the system of blocks shown moving to the right, given the coefficient of friction is 0.1. Okay. Ang pinapahanap sa atin is W. Ano daw yung weight nito para mag-produce ng movement to the right? Dito sa dalawang blocks, which is 60 kN and 40 kN na weight. Okay? So, as you can see here, meron na tayong set of blocks. And is connected by dalawang cable. Tama? So, unang-una dyan, syempre, i-determine yung mga internal forces sa mga cable. Tama? And paulit-ulit na lang to, we know that cable is good in tension. That means tensile force yung mag-a-act dyan. Tama? And since yung cable na to at ito is isang cable lang, also we will assume that the pulley is frictionless. Kung ano yung tension dito, okay, ganon din yung tension dito. Tama? So assign ko to as T1, T1. Cable or rope. Next. Ito naman, connected siya dito. Isang cable lang din yan. So that means this is T2, T2. And dito sa weight na to, syempre may weight to, which is, di pa natin alam, and that is downward W. Tama? So by inspection dito guys, pag in-isolate natin itong block na to, anong mapapansin nyo? Dito is equal to W. Tama. So safe to say na ito, pwede na natin palitan ng W. Ganon din dito. Tama? By doing that, kahit disregard na natin to, ito na lang tingnan natin. Since na-incorporate naman na natin yung W doon sa system. Okay? Dito na lang tayo. At least nabawasan na yung block. Right? Now, unahin natin sa first block. Block 1. Okay? Sa block 1, since hindi sinabi na frictionless ito, also may given na friction or coefficient of friction, lalagyan natin yan na normal force and friction. Tama? Yes. Anong direction ng friction? Dali. Very good. So, ang hinahanap kasi is weight. So, una, solve muna natin yung mga kailangan natin i-solve sa block 1. So, for B1, okay, summation Fy is equal to 0 and is equal to 16 kilonewton. Summation Fx, okay, T1 is equal to F, tama? So T1 is equal to 0.1 times 16. So T1 is equal to 6. Ayan. Pero hindi pa yun yung hinahanap. Tama? So mag-proceed tayo dito. Kasi alam na natin na T1 is 6 kN. Siyempre, ganun din dito. 6 kN dito. Now, consider din natin to. Also, meron niyang N. Meron din niyang F. Okay, wait lang. Hindi ko pala nalagay yung angle dito. This is 30 degrees. Ayan. So, kung 30 degrees yan, anong angle ng 40? 30 degrees din dito. Okay. So, we will take summation for block B. Okay, or D2. Summation Fy is equal to 0 again. Normal force pataas. Ano pa? Equal to 40. Ano pa? So N is equal to yeah. Summation Yan. W to the right.
W minus 6.
Minus P1 which is 6.
Minus
Minus
F.
F which is 0.1 times. Ito ba? Ito, di ba?
Apo, 34. 41.
Ito ba?
40 sin 30. 20.